glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what it is, everybody? So today we have another on feet look, but today it's a special sneaker in my opinion for me, because Kobe's my guy, of the Nike Air Force One Low Kobe Bryant. This is the white colorway. This one is set to release December 6th on the sneakers app, but there are some raffles available now if you're watching this video prior to December 6th. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, Rip. This is probably gonna be the only time y'all see these shoes on feet for me, because these are gonna be kept in a case. I'm not actually gonna wear these. I do not like Air Force Ones with the passion, but because the way they're paying homage to my dog Kobe, of course I had to cop them. But before we get up into this detailed look of these things, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. We are almost at 20K, and I thank each and every one of you guys. Now, as we take a look at this sneaker, a lot of details on it. I've done a detailed review up close already. I'll put the link somewhere on the screen, but make sure you guys check that out. That shows the box and everything like that. But today we're going to be talking about sizing, comfortability, and I just want to show you guys what these things look like on feet. So as you guys can see right here, just looking at the left side of this sneaker, it's an all white Air Force One. Leather quality is not bad at all, but you have a yellow Nike swoosh with the purple outline. They come with stock white laces, and then you do get two other pairs of laces. I'll show you guys those, but you have the yellow outsole, as you guys can see, as we go all the way around it. And on the back end of the sneaker, on the left one, you have the 8 ball, as you guys can see right there, Kobe's first number. And then on this one, you do have the Mamba logo, as you guys can see right there. Super clean as you look at both of them together. I like the way they did that. Also on the back end, as you guys can see right here, you see the Mamba logo that's stitched, that's like engraved into the sneaker right there on the back end. Super nice touch for that. As we go to the right sneaker, it's the exact same thing. As we look at the inner side of the shoe, just a purple and gold Nike swoosh in there. On the toe box, like I said, leather quality is not bad, but you see that purple Nike swoosh right there. White laces going all the way up, and on the tongue, it has the Nike Air on the tongue, and then you have Kobe Bryant signature in gold on the tongue, man. Overall, just a super simple, clean sneaker. Like I said, the details on it I like the 8, I like the Mamba logo. You have the Mamba logo on the inside of the tongue as well. But when we come to sizing, I'm gonna tell you guys true to size. I go true to size in the Air Force Ones when I used to rock them back in the day. So true to size, if you can get true to size. I would not say go a half a size up. If anything, I would say, man, you know, size down maybe, but true to size definitely when it comes to sizing. As far as comfortability, they're not too bad. I mean, I'm gonna say probably like a 7 out of 10. Not bad at all. They're Air Force Ones, you know what I'm saying? You've wore one Air Force One, you've wore them all. And then overall, aesthetically and everything, I'm gonna say these are a 9 out of 10 just for me, just because I'm a Kobe guy. And I like the details. I like the subtle hints that they did for these things to pay homage to them. And I do appreciate the craftsmanship when it comes to this sneaker. Like I said, they came with 2 other sets of laces. As you guys can see here, you have the purple and gold laces. And I think either or, all 3, out of all the 3, you can rock any of them and it'll still be fine, man. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. Is this going to be something you guys go after? Let me know. Good luck. Retail is $130 on them things, man. So not bad. And I'm pretty sure resale is going to be more than that. I don't know the stock numbers, anything like that, but good luck to each and every one of you guys. And y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got 2, never slack.